So today I got another sneaker out the vault. You see the size, it's 11 and a half. Why did I get 11 and a half? I have no idea. The plug said he only had 11 and a half. It was either that or 10, and so 11 and a half it was. Let's make it do what it do. And so these retail, oh, the price tag fell off. So I can't remember. These are the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low in a white varsity red and black colorway. So what do you think we have here? Let's take a look, see. Let out. We got the Cherry 11 Lows. I have worn these a total of 0 times. I like them a lot, but they're 11 and a half and they fit kind of big. Like I said, this was all the plug had. It just made sense to get them. As you can see, you got the red bottoms, Louis Vuitton bottoms, white patent leather, white rope laces, white eyelets, white mesh, black insole with a red jump. But yeah, I mean, and inside you got the quality basketball production, inspired by the greatest player ever. And you see you got the red Jumpman on the back, on the heel tab, with the 2-3 print. Yeah, it's really not much to really say about them. I guess I have to look up what year they came out, but yeah, man, these was hot when they released, and I'm just mad that these are an 11 and a half. I'll give y'all an on-feet look, y'all see what they look like. But yeah, man, so these are Cherry 11 Lows. We're getting, this year, we're getting, I don't even know what they're calling those. Candy cane 11 mids? I don't know, but the 11 mids with the red patent leather, those are clean. I just don't think I need them. On feet, look! Prior to making this video, I thought these were gonna have to go for sale. But after I put these on feet, I can fit these. These will work. I can make these work. For sure. These staying. And they look so clean on feet, bruh. Like, whoa. Like, whoa. You know, sometimes you have shoes in your collection and you be like, man, they alright, they alright. But when you put them on feet, when you put them bad boys on the feet, it's like, hold up, wait a minute, let's take back, let's rethink, let me recalibrate. Cause the reason my shoe reviews have not been as frequent as they once were is because I have a camera, right? And I had an SD card, and you know what happened? My SD card went berserk. All my shoe videos are gone. Like, something is wrong and it can't read any of the videos. It seems like the card is corrupt. I really don't know what other options I have. I had filmed, but I hadn't had a chance to edit, like my chocolate dunk lows, Carolina 3s. What else did I have on there? I had a lot of shoe reviews on there. I'm mad disappointed because it's like, am I gonna go back and film them or what? It's almost like it's easier just for me to put them on TikTok because I don't do this whole review. But y'all let me know what y'all want. Y'all want me to do YouTube shorts of the shoes, or do you want me to give y'all a review? Y'all let me know down below. Shoe reviews over here and more vlogs over here.